In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Kit. We're going to walk through the absolute minimum steps you need to get a simple landing page up and live, starting from inside your Kit account. By the end, you'll have a shareable link you can send to your audience, post on social media, or add to your website, all without touching any code. First, once you're logged into Kit, look at the top navigation bar. There, you'll see an option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the section where all your opt-in forms and landing pages are created and managed, so you'll likely come back here often. Next, once that page loads, look for the Create New button. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. Click Create New to start building something from scratch. Kit will now ask what type of item you want to create. From the options you see, choose Landing Page. This tells Kit that you want a standalone page rather than an embedded form or another type of opt-in. Landing pages are great for things like free guides, webinars, newsletters, or simple coming soon announcements. After choosing landing page, you'll be taken to a gallery of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can customize later. For now, we're focusing on speed and simplicity. Browse through the templates and hover your mouse over one that matches the general style you're going for. When you hover, you'll see a button appear that says Choose. Click Choose to select that template and move into the editor. At this point, Kit will open the landing page editor where you can customize text, colors, and images if you want. You can come back and tweak those details later, so for now, we'll jump straight to getting it live. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. Publishing makes your landing page publicly accessible on the internet. When you click Publish, a pop-up will appear with a share link. This is the unique URL for your new landing page. Click to copy that share link. You can now paste it anywhere you like, in an email, on social media, or inside your website. And that's it. With just those steps, you've created and published a landing page in Kit and grabbed the link you need to start sharing it with your audience.